When you book the Grand Palladium Punta Cana through my special discount link below, not only will you save 35% for a limited time, you'll also get access to Grand Palladium Bavaro and Grand Palladium Palace, a hidden perk most guests don't realize they have until they're already at the resort. This means you're free to use additional pools, restaurants, bars, beach areas, and entertainment spaces across all three properties. Now, in terms of what's actually included in the all-inclusive package here, you get full access to all buffet and a la carte dining, unlimited drinks, non-motorized water sports, daily activities, nightly entertainment, mini golf, beach volleyball, tennis, themed parties, and access to the nightclubs and live shows. You can also enjoy 5 outdoor pools, 6 swim-up bars, 2 beach bars, a private white sand beach with loungers and umbrellas, and daily housekeeping. Gratuities are already included, and the minibar in your room is restocked with drinks at no extra charge. This is one of the rare Punta Cana properties where your all-inclusive actually expands beyond the resort you booked. Also, I've chosen Grand Palladium Punta Cana as the best beachfront escape on my upcoming list of the best all-inclusive resorts in Punta Cana for families, which I'll link to below when it's live. Make sure you're subscribed to get notified. You're right on Bavaro's beachfront in one of Punta Cana's most convenient areas, with a private stretch of white sand that guests consistently praise for being clean, wide, and great for long walks. Seaweed is most common from late spring through early autumn across this coastline, but this section is well maintained, and travelers often mention that it stays pleasant and swimmable even during peak months. The resort's location also puts you close to the Cortecito area, where you'll find small shops, cafes, and beachside walkways if you want a change of scenery. Most guests stay within the resort, but it's an easy place to step out for a quick stroll without feeling isolated. And with the airport roughly 29 minutes away, transfers are quick and straightforward, which makes the overall experience feel smooth from the moment you land. If you want the most affordable option, the Deluxe Garden View is the best entry point. It's simple, comfortable, and gives you everything included in the all-inclusive program without pushing up your budget. With the 35% discount applied, it comes to around $151 per person per night when shared by 2 guests. You get premium bedding, a furnished balcony, and a jetted tub, which is more than you typically see in an entry-level room at this price. If you're traveling as a family or you simply want more space, the Junior Suite poolside is the sweet spot. It sleeps up to 4, adds a larger layout with a sofa bed, and puts you close to the pool areas that tend to be the most convenient during the day. With the discount applied, the rate works out to around $87 per person per night when occupied by 4 guests, which is excellent value for a room of this size in Punta Cana. It's one of the easiest upgrades to justify because you feel the difference immediately in both space and convenience. For a higher-end option without jumping into luxury suite pricing, the Junior Suite pool access is the standout. It gives you a more private atmosphere and a noticeable step up in experience compared to the standard categories. With the discount applied, it comes to around $91 per person per night when occupied by 4 guests. This is ideal if you want something special without overspending, and it works just as well for couples as it does for small families. One of the first things you notice here is how many different spaces are designed for relaxation. The resort has a full-service spa with treatment rooms, hydrotherapy areas, and a steam room. And while spa access isn't included in the all-inclusive plan, many guests say it's worth visiting at least once if you want a quieter break from the main resort atmosphere. There's also a well-equipped gym with yoga and Pilates classes, which is great if you like keeping a routine while you travel. Families are well covered too, with a children's pool, supervised kids clubs, playground areas, and daily activities that keep younger guests busy without feeling repetitive. This is one of the reasons the resort works for multi-generational trips. Adults can enjoy their day while knowing the kids always have something structured to do. Across the property, you'll also find extras that make day-to-day life easier, including on-site shops, a salon, laundry facilities, a medical center, and convenient shaded areas when you need a break from the sun. The entertainment here has a bit more range than people expect from a beachfront all-inclusive. During the day, you'll find activities happening around different areas of the resort, so you can dip in and out depending on your energy. Some guests like joining the organized games and classes, while others prefer finding a quieter corner, and both are easy to do without feeling pressured either way. Evenings tend to have a lively but relaxed atmosphere. There are themed shows, live performances, and music throughout the week, and you can choose how much or how little you want to be part of it. If you prefer something calmer, there are outdoor lounge areas where you can sit with a drink and enjoy the warm evenings without the crowds. There's also a casino on-site with table games and slots, which gives you another option beyond the typical resort entertainment. The dining experience here is stronger than many guests expect, mainly because you're not limited to one resort's options. You'll find a good mix of a la carte restaurants and buffets, and the overall variety works well whether you want something quick after the beach or a slower sit-down dinner. The Italian and steakhouse venues tend to be the most popular, and several guests mention that the food quality is consistently good once you know where your preferred spots are. One thing to keep in mind is that peak evenings can feel busy. This is a large complex with a lot of choice, and naturally some restaurants fill up faster than others. A helpful tip is to go slightly earlier than the main rush, or choose a restaurant at one of the neighboring Palladium properties if you want a quieter atmosphere. Buffet quality is solid as well, especially at breakfast, with plenty of fresh fruit, made-to-order stations, and rotating hot dishes so it doesn't feel repetitive. You can change up the style of cuisine each night, explore different atmospheres across the complex, and keep things flexible without sacrificing convenience. For many travelers, the amount of choice is a major part of why the stay feels good value. In terms of considerations, the resort does charge a facilities fee of $50 per person per day if you want full access to the spa's hydrotherapy circuit. Treatments are optional, but it's worth knowing this ahead of time so you can decide whether it fits into your plans. If you're traveling during peak weeks, popular dining areas and pool zones can feel busy. A small adjustment to your schedule, arriving a little earlier or later than the main rush, usually makes everything run more smoothly. Check-in can also feel active on heavier arrival days, though staff are consistently praised for being attentive and keeping the process moving. For this part of Bavaro, the value here is stronger than what you typically see at a similar price point. Many mid-range all-inclusive resorts in Punta Cana offer fewer facilities, fewer dining choices, and far less space to spread out, yet often charge comparable rates. Cleanliness, staff service, and general upkeep tend to score higher here than at other resorts in the same bracket, where experiences can be more uneven. The beachfront setting adds to it as well. In this region, private sections of Bavaro often come with higher nightly rates, so getting that quality of beach without stepping into luxury pricing is a genuine advantage. Families are the group that benefit most here. The larger room layouts, kids' clubs, pools designed for different ages, and easy access to multiple areas across the complex make it a strong fit for parents who want convenience without feeling confined. Couples who enjoy variety rather than a single boutique setting will also get good value. Groups of friends will appreciate the number of dining options, the mix of nightlife and relaxed spaces, and the ability to spread out without feeling separated. Secure your 35% limited time discount using my booking link below, or check out my list of the best all-inclusives in Punta Cana appearing on the screen now for alternative places to stay.